Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix tap to download if it is not working in iMessage. As a popular messaging application, iMessage carries a lot of expectations. However, like any other app, it can experience occasional glitches or errors. A recent issue with iMessage is its inability to download attachments such as photos, videos and audios files by tapping on them in the message thread. So I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for is to check your internet connection. If the tap to download feature on your iMessage app is not functioning, one of the basic steps is to verify your network connection. It is crucial to ensure that the network connections are strong enough to download the media images. Open any app to make sure your internet is working or not. And the second step, ensure iMessage is enabled. So open settings, scroll down, tap on messages, ensure iMessage is toggled on, and you are done. And the next step is sign out and sign into your iMessage. Signing out and back in can help if you are experiencing the tap to download issue in iMessage. This process reconnects your device to iMessage server, which can prevent the data corruption and disruptions. It also ensures that your iMessage settings are correct, that your account is up to date. So make sure to sign out from iMessage and sign in back again. For this, go to your settings, scroll down and then tap on messages. Here tap on send and receive. Tap on your ID and in the pop-up box tap on sign out and then sign in again and you are done. And the next step is restart iMessage. Another simple and effective solution for tap to download not working on iPhone is to restart the app. Restarting the Messages app is a simple process. You just need to close the app and remove it from the app switcher. Then you can use the Message app by relaunching it. You just need to swipe up and remove the Messages app and then relaunched and you are done. So I hope this solution will fix your issue. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.